Got your backlash set at 3000, consistent around the gear. Your date. Your gear-to-gear contact pattern. Excellent. M Factory LSD, stage 4 case, and the preload set on your input flange here as seen in this little short video. Getting ready to put your cover on next and she'll be all finished. All right, I'm going to run this on the bench so you can see how smooth and quiet it is. There is no lubrication between the two gears, and here we go. Beautiful, super smooth, quiet, great backlash, perfect. Yeah, I get the question, can you fix it? I don't know. Pretty gnarly, but we'll find out. All right, we'll get all the yuck off of this and we'll find out what's going on. But from the looks of that boot, it's not good. Right there we have a cracked tripod. That's the issue. So this one is not good. We're going to check the spline, see if that's damaged. I'm hoping everything's good there, and I can put a new cup and tripod on this axle, rebuild the other end, and make something out of this mess.